As they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Last year's Nissan Rogue topped the charts as our number one pick for compact SUVs. With 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet, the 2023 Rogue is the most powerful yet, despite being powered by a smaller 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine, and we were impressed with the standard safety features. So it shouldn't come as a surprise that the 2024 Nissan Rogue doesn't change much from its successful formula. The biggest change planned for the 2024 Rogue is that it's the first Nissan with Google built in, at least on the upper-level SL and Platinum trims. The new infotainment unit comes with Google Assistant, Google Maps, and more apps can be added through the Google Play Store. With Google's integration into the infotainment system, this means that these apps and the features they provide can be used without being connected to a smartphone. The Rogue SL and Platinum will have an always-on connection via a 4G LTE modem, which provides standalone Google functionality. These trims come with 5 years of basic connectivity. Google Assistant built-in lets users use voice commands to explain things like navigating, sending texts, or listening to music. Because Google is cloud-based, any points of interest you save on Google Maps via the smartphone app or browser will automatically be available if you sign in to your Google account on the Rogue system. If you're an iPhone user who's getting more and more frustrated as you read this, don't worry. Apple CarPlay will still be available in the 2024 Nissan Rogue. In S and SV trims, you need to connect an iPhone to access CarPlay, but in SL and Platinum trims, you can use CarPlay wirelessly. The same goes for Android Auto as far as connectivity requirements go. The SL and Platinum trims get a new 12.3-inch color touchscreen to control the infotainment system, while the S and SV trims get an 8.0-inch screen and will come standard with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. New grille hoods, updated exterior styling. The 2024 Nissan Rogue gets a new face featuring Nissan's V-Motion grille and a slightly revised front bumper, while the headlights remain the same. The rear is also reworked, but the changes there are more subtle. The rear bumper has more color matching and a simpler shape than the 2023 model. Nissan says the inner taillights have also been changed for 2024. But to be honest, it's hard to tell the difference there. The Platinum trim gets gloss black fenders, gloss black trim pieces at the front and rear, and a new set of 19-inch wheels. New colors include Everest White Pearl, Deep Ocean Blue Pearl, Baja Storm, and several two-tone variants with a black roof. Other things remain the same, while Google integration and a refreshed exterior are new additions. Many other areas of the 2024 Nissan Rogue remain the same. This isn't necessarily a bad thing though. Remember that the 2023 Rogue is the number one choice for a reason. The same efficient and powerful 1.5-liter 201 horsepower 225 pound-feet three-cylinder engine will be produced starting in 2023. The option to have any of the 4 trims, available in front-wheel or all-wheel drive configurations, also returns. Except for the new 12.3-inch touchscreen, the internal switchgear remains largely the same. Although the 2024 Nissan Rogue will now only have USB-C ports. A wireless charging pad returns as standard equipment on SL and Platinum trims. There is a new option for chestnut brown leather upholstery, some nice contrast for those who choose spring for it. The Nissan Connect telematics feature returns, but in 2024, buyers will get a 3-year trial of the service, rather than the previously included 6-month trial. Nissan Connect will be standard on SV and higher trims. The impressive Nissan Safety Shield 360 package continues from 2023 and includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic warning, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. ProPilot Assistant with intelligent cruise control returns to SV trim. SL and Platinum trims get ProPilot with Navi Link, which automatically adjusts the vehicle's speed ahead of curves and highway exits based on GPS routing. The 2024 Nissan Rogue is ready to stick to its winning formula. However, we don't have an official price yet, and this will be a key factor in determining if Nissan can still offer the same price in the face of the current inflationary challenge. There are other competitors such as Toyota RAV4, Kia Sportage and Subaru Forester. It might not be so easy for Rogue to stay on top this time around. Trending Pages 2024 Nissan Rogue First Look. More Google. Same winning package 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland First Drive. Real improvements 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland Interior Review. A nice upgrade. Toyota has unveiled an EV sports car that gives us MR2 vibes. 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 South First Drive. 671 horses from 4 cylinders. We are listening.